Hello everyone, today I will be explaining triggers and how they're used in cubing. So triggers are just a brief set of moves that pop up a lot in OLL and PLL, and they can use for other things too, but that's where you'll see them most are in OLL and PLL. So there are three main triggers, which are R, U, R prime, U prime. The first one, R prime, F, R, F prime. Second one, and R, U, R prime, U is the third one. So these just simply pop up a lot in OLL and PLL, and in OLL you can separate the algorithms into trigger groups and stuff, and you don't really have to know them because you'll pretty much learn them instantly because they're only 4 moves long. So I guess you do need to know them, but it just makes learning the algorithms a lot easier because for each trigger there is, it's just you remember do this trigger versus 4 moves. So that can really make algorithms a lot easier to learn. So my first example is this case, which you probably all know from at least beginner's method or OLL, and it's just a setup move, a trigger, and then one more move. So it's F, and then R, U, R prime, U prime, a trigger, and then F prime. So that's one example of triggers. Here's another example, and this is just an algorithm with pure triggers in it. So it's R, U, R prime, U prime, and then sledgehammer, R prime, F, R, F prime. And that, would otherwise be an 8-move case, but instead it's just simply 2 triggers, which makes it super easy. So that's really what triggers do. So they just basically make OLL and PLL a lot easier to learn by instead of 4 moves, it's just this trigger, and also helps with determining what groups like OLL and PLL cases belong to, you could say. So that's what triggers are used for in cubing. Thank you for watching.